Hi, welcome to this session. In this particular session, we'll be talking about implementation of the metric multiplication. Right. In the last session, we have discussed regarding the metric multiplications. What is the rule that is required for the metric multiplication? The rule is that the column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix. That is what the rule itself. We have seen the concept how to deduce uh, the logic for the metric multiplication. So let us implement it. What I have done here, I have considered two matrices, matrix A, okay, matrix B, and then the resultant matrix, okay. So resultant matrix will be nothing but the 3 and 3, because you see here matrix A, the column matrix A is 2 and the row of matrix B is 2. That is what the rule is, right? Yes. And the resultant matrix will be nothing but 3 3, that is the row of A and the column of B, right? Okay, so in this session we have directly put this what do you say, logic of matrix A and B corresponding to the rule itself. So typically, if required, if you ask the user to put the row and the column value of matrix A, and also ask the row and column value of matrix B, then you have to check whether the column of matrix A is equal to the row of matrix B. If it is, then you proceed and do the multiplication, otherwise you not. Okay, so I'm not making it very complicated, because try to first understand, because that is easy that to do it. Okay, so what I have done is that I have taken this matrix, the value of the I ask the user to put the value of matrix A, right? Similarly, I ask the user to give the value of matrix B, and then what I have done is that I have displayed, okay, displayed the matrix A, displayed the matrix A, and displayed the matrix B, right? So how to do it? So for row I have put the variable as r1, c1, r2, and c2. So r1 and c1 is for the matrix A, and r2 and c2 is for the matrix B, right? And we have given 3 2, right? So that's why r1 goes till 3 and c1 goes till 2, and we are inserting the values in matrix A, right? Similarly, for R2, we have done this, what you say, matrix B, it goes to row 2 and column to 3, right? And then we have asked this, scanf, that means entering the value. Then we have displayed same for R1 equal to 0 to 3 and C1 equal to 0 to 2. We have displayed the matrix A, and then matrix B also we have displayed. Okay, so we this type things we have already done. So just when I have revisited the thing, so let me save, okay, and let me execute. So matrix A such as gives them value 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I have this matrix A, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and matrix B 1 2 3 6. Okay, now we're going to do the addition of multiplication. Now how will you going to start a multiplication? Okay, now will there I will put that, matrix multiplication. Okay, so now what will be the size of my matrix, result matrix? It will be 3 cross 3, because, right, if you see, A is 3 2, B is 2 3. Okay, so the resulting matrix will be 3 cross 3. So resulting matrix is 3 4 3, right? So I said that for R1 equal to 0, okay, R1 less than equal to less than 3, okay, R1 plus plus, right? And then we have, okay, so otherwise, don't let us not put this, okay, let us put ijk value. Okay, so let I will be nothing but I will be starting from, okay, 0 to I will go till, okay, 3, and j, that is nothing but the column will start from 0. Okay, j will also go till 3. Okay, j plus plus, because This is what the resultant matrix will be, 3 cross 3, right? Okay, then yes, we have, okay, so we have another for loop. So for k equal to 0, and k will go how many times? K will go nothing but 2 times, right? Yes, because the rule itself, you can see the number of the column value of A should be equal to the row value of B. So, okay, so we have k equal to here 2, okay, k equal to 2 and k plus plus, okay, right? Fine. Then I should write result, okay. Result, what will be the I and j, correct? Yes, no question on that. And then equal to, okay, so result plus means result ij equal to result ij plus, okay, a into b. Now a, okay, so my a will be nothing but the value of I told you, okay, because each time I will be going, right, 3 times it will be going, right, so it will be I, yes, and when it, and how many times it will go, okay, it will go 2 times, so it should be k multiplied by, okay, so we know that b matrix, okay, first again the first row, then it will move to the second row, right, so it will be k, and then how many times till j, right, so it will be j, yes, semicolon, right, so done. Now I need to display the, yes, okay, so for display it's very easy, just copy and paste, okay. Now yes, this will be printf, okay, percentage d slash t, okay, result ij, result, okay, I and j, yes, then semicolon, yes, and printf, okay, percentage, oh sorry, slash n, yes, right, so we have this, okay. Okay, so let us take the value that we have discussed in the last class. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what we need to enter is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and for B we need to enter is 12, 7, 8, 9, 12, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, I think, right? 2, 1. Okay, so it is 2, 1. Okay, so that we need to enter and see the result we should get. The result that we should get is this, correct? Okay, fine. So let me save and let me execute it. Okay, so matrix A is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, matrix B is 12, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1. Okay, so we got 51, 20, 20 19, 51, 20, 19. Okay, so 51, 20, 19, 93, 38, 37. Yes, let it put like this. So 51, 20. This is the output that we have got. So it is 93, 38, 37, 138, 56, and 55. Okay. Now let me tell you again. See how it has happened. You can see back this particular thing, right? So we are going down here because 2 is multiplied by 12, again 3 is multiplied by 9, yes, after that 2 is again multiplied by 7, 3 is multiplied by 2, then 2 is multiplied by 8, then 3 is multiplied by 1. So that means the value of I, Yes, for A it is always 0 on the top, right? And K it is moving from this to, that is the reason why it is K. Yes, and multiplied by B. B value it is, B value it is starting from K, then it goes to here. Correct or not? Yes, from here to here. Okay, so that means the value of K into J, it will go till here. Okay, and here it is K because row is always first, that I, it will always be 0, but yes, it is going from 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 will be given by nothing but the K value itself, right? K value itself, because it's going for 2 times, right? Again B, it will go 2 times, from 2 rows will be there. Okay, 2 rows will be there, and how many columns? 3, that is the 3 which is represented by nothing but the J. Yes, by represented by nothing but the J. Yes, so now we got the metric multiplication. Okay, so metric multiplication, the first two loop will be equal to nothing but the value of the row of the first matrix and the column of the second matrix. So that is what we got, right? 3 and 3. Then after that, the innermost, it will be nothing but the column, or the column of the second row, or the row of the column of the, sorry, first matrix, and the row of the second matrix itself. So that is the value, that is why it is 2, right? And A, because we are only considering the first row itself, and it will move how many times? 2, right? 2 columns are there. So I and K, it will be represented by. Next, B, how many rows it will go? 2 rows, right? And how many columns will go? 3, which is represented by now K and J, right? And we got the answer, right? So this is what the metric multiplication is. It's easy, just you need to understand this particular logic and just represent it. Okay, right? Having said this, you need a lot of practice, because this particular type of two-dimensional, program, for the first, for the beginners and all, it becomes very difficult to understand. Okay, so you need a lot of practice. I personally suggest you that you just look my video. Okay, pause sometimes, try to write it down, or if required, if you have the laptop with you, okay, execute the program, yes, step by step. Okay, and see the minute things. Typically we are telling that R2 C2 and all this, the values and all, right? So this may be a very you may get confused with it, so you need to be very clear. Okay, what is the number of rows, the rule itself. Okay, and how from the rule itself we are creating this particular, loop itself. Okay, yes, and how AI, AIK and BJK has is come up. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if so, please kindly share with your friends and ask them to subscribe. Thank you so much.